Hey folks, we start tonight with a view from Sky 5 looking westward. We saw a really pretty sunset, but that was almost half an hour ago. It's already dark outside, hence the way it's going to be for a while, changing of the clocks over the weekend. It's already dark by about 6:15. Just a little bit of color left in the sky, but the sky is clear. It's pretty evening out there. Let's look at the maps, see what temperatures are doing right now. These are the latest readings. Upper 70s, low to mid 80s across the area. Depends on where you are. Weslaco's cooled the fastest at 79, 83 still in Rio Grande City. Your lows tonight should stay in the upper 60s and low 70s, so certainly well above average for this time of year. Under clear skies, humidity drop for a while this afternoon, but it'll probably come back up tonight. And then tomorrow we jump back into the 90s again. 94 in McAllen, Rio Grande City, 93 in Edinburgh, Weslaco and Raymondville about 90, and then a little cooler as you get toward the coast, about 84 degrees at the beach. But look at the three-day highs. We go from 90 to 86 to boom, the bottom drops out. Thursday, only 68 degrees. Courtesy of a pretty strong front that'll come in sometime during the second half of the day on Wednesday. The model's still at odds about what time that front arrives. If it comes a little earlier, we won't get to 86. If it comes a little later, we might touch 90 before that cool air actually moves in. Now, Future Track suggests that overnight we stay mainly clear. During the daytime tomorrow, we're just mostly sunny and warm again. Tomorrow, certainly a day that could top 90 in many areas. Wednesday, though, here comes our front. This model brings the front through about midday or so, maybe even earlier than that. That's the most aggressive of all the models. Most of them say it's after lunch for everybody. One model, the European model, says it won't be until evening, but the bottom line is probably the earliest it could be is about noon. Could come through later than that. You see isolated showers show up along and behind the front. We put the chance of rain at about 10 to 20% for Wednesday and Thursday. In fact, we're going to bump that up to 20 on this graphic because I think there will be spotty stuff around, but more than showers, it's just going to go an overcast, gray sky, probably for at least a couple of days. Starting late Wednesday, Thursday looks like a gray day with maybe a couple of spotty showers, but nothing widespread. It's just the cooler temperatures and that gray sky that will be the big change from what we are leading up to that. Look at the rest of Texas. You can tell there's a front in the state. 54 in Dalhart. Oklahoma City's only 46. 66 in Dallas. The front, a lot of clouds behind it right now. We'll draw it on the map. There it is. The front continues to push southward. We're still warm. We're still humid tomorrow, but we'll push that out on Wednesday. And we may start warm and humid on Wednesday. We likely will. But then the front slides in, clouds thicken up. Look at the clouds across the whole state of Texas on Wednesday, and we'll be part of that late Wednesday into Thursday with spotty showers around. Certainly cooler temperatures for Thursday. Again, you saw the highs, no warmer than the upper 60s Thursday, and then we slowly start to bounce back on Friday as that front settles down to the south with isolated showers around the region. Again, nothing widespread, but spotty showers certainly a possibility. At the coast in the morning, winds out of the southeast 10 to 15 knots, a moderate chop. UV still high tomorrow. No advisories, a low rip current risk. There are your tides. Your seas running about 2 to 4 feet. So for tonight across the valley, a low of 71. Clear and unseasonably mild. Southeast winds about 6 to 12. Tomorrow back to 90. Plenty of sunshine all day. A very warm day. Southeast winds at 6 to 12. So go 90, that 86, I should put a question mark behind it because it could be 3 or 4 degrees either direction from that, depends on the timing of the front. But then Thursday, cloudy, a lot of clouds, cooler. Can't rule out a brief shower. That won't be the flavor of the day, but the clouds will. You'll notice that. You get into Friday, still mainly cloudy, and even over the weekend, I think an isolated shower is possible any day. An awful lot of moisture around, enough to help trigger some isolated stuff. But the big change comes second half of the day, Wednesday, Thursday, only 68 degrees. That is your updated First Warn 5 forecast.